Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel NextGen Solutions. Today we will learn how to install R and RStudio in your Windows system. For this, what you have to do is to open your Google and type in the search bar, that is download RStudio and Windows, and just press enter. And the first option that will appear in front of you is RStudio Desktop. You have to click on the RStudio Desktop. So this type of interface will open in front of you. You just have to scroll it down and you'll see that there are two options, that is install R and install RStudio. One thing you have to keep in mind, that if you want to work in R, you don't need to install RStudio. You just have to download and install R and you'll be fine. But if you want to work on RStudio, you need to install R first and then need to install RStudio. So I'll go for the download and install R first. I'll just click on it. Yeah, if you're a Linux user, you have to click on download R for Linux, and if you are a Mac user, you have to click on download R for Mac, and if you are a Windows user, you have to click on download R for Windows. I'll click on it and then install R for the very first time, and then click on download R 4.3.2 for Windows. You'll see that R is started installing. Now move to the second step for download and install RStudio. I'll just click on download RStudio Desktop for Windows and it will start see, it started downloading. Let's wait for it to get downloaded and we'll install it later. So my R has been downloaded, but RStudio is still getting downloaded. We'll install R now. Double click on it. Yeah, just click on yes and just click on OK. Then next, this is the process for installing the R, and if you are okay with this directory, then just click on next. You can customize your directory by your own. Okay, and then next. It's preparing to install. Yeah, it's getting installed. So guys, you have seen that our R has been installed completely, and now you can click on finish. You're good to go to use R now. So guys, as you are seeing that my RStudio has been downloaded too, I'll install it now. I'll double click on it. Yeah, just click on the yes and allow it to your device. Click on next for start the installing procedure. Then next and install. It will take some time.